Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. In this video, I'll guide you through my easy cranberry cookies recipe. But before we begin, I have something I'd like to share. Hey everyone, I'm excited to share that you can now easily shop for some of the products I use in my cooking videos. Just tap on the product tags in this video, and you'll be directed straight to where you can shop, whether it's ingredients, kitchen tools, or anything else I recommend. It's all just one click away. Happy shopping and happy cooking. Here are the ingredients. Drained cranberries, egg, brown sugar, butter, muffin mix. In a large mixing bowl, pour 1 box of muffin mix. Then pour a half cup of melted butter. Crack 1 egg. Stir until well combined. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix thoroughly. Add a half cup of cranberry sauce. Mix well. If you prefer extra sweetness, add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then mix until all ingredients are evenly combined. Line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Then use a spoon to scoop portions of the cookie dough onto the tray, spacing them evenly. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Then bake the cookies for 14 minutes, or until the edges turn golden brown. Once baked, remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the tray for 5 minutes. Serve and enjoy with coffee or tea.
Wow!
I hope my recipe was simple and enjoyable for you to make. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Check out all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.